Students, welcome to your online classes. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School, which is situated in Golabachar, Gorakhpur. Dear student, we have already completed chapter number 5 in my previous video. So now today's video I am going to start the chapter number 6, that is next topic, nouns, number. So in this topic we are going to learn about singular and plural noun. Okay student, so first of all you all take out your tune into grammar book and open chapter number 6 that is given in your grammar book. Dear student, open page number 29 and the topic is nouns, number. Okay, in this video we will learn about that how many kinds of numbers in nouns. Okay, so we have already learned about this topic in our previous classes, but today's class we will again start this topic. Okay student, so first of all we all know you have already learned that nouns can be singular or plural depending on their number. Okay student, you have already learned that nouns can be singular or plural depending on the number. A singular nouns refer to one person, place, animal or things. What is a singular noun? So we can say that a singular noun refers to one person, place, animal or things. And what is a plural noun? So in plural nouns refers to more than one person, place, animal or things. Dear student, it is very important for you that you have to remember that how could we recognize that singular noun or plural noun. So in singular noun names one person, things, place or idea. Okay, for example, there is a one boy, bag, school and patriotism. Okay, now the next, what is plural noun? So student, in plural nouns names more than one person, things, place, idea. Okay, in singular we have learned that a plural noun names one person, place, animal or idea, but in plural a plural nouns names more than one person, things, place, idea. Okay, for example, there is a boys, bags, schools and religions. Okay, so dear friend, these are the information about the singular noun and plural noun. Now through this knowledge of singular and plural noun, we are going to change a singular noun into its plural form. And how could we change this? We will learn. So student, first of all, there is changing a singular noun into its plural form. So how could we change? So some singular nouns form their plurals by adding s at the end. As we all know that some singular nouns form their plurals by adding s at the end. For example, as you can see at your screen, there is a cup. So it is a singular noun. And how could we change this given singular noun into plural? So we have to change this given singular noun by adding s at the end. Okay, so it will be cups. Okay, now the next is cow. Next word is cow. So in plural form it will be cows. Next, flower. So it will be flowers. Then desk, it will be desks. Then is horse, horses. Train, trains. Okay, so like this we have to change the given singular noun into plural form. Now the next stage, there is many more information about how could we change singular noun into plural form. So first of all, we have learned that we have to change the given singular form into plural by adding s at the end. Now next is, there is a next information, that is some singular nouns that end in ch, sh, s, double s, x form their plurals by adding es at the end. For example, student, it is very important for you. In first you have learned that we have to change the given singular noun into plural by adding s. But remember, in the next information there is some singular nouns that end in a ch, sh, s, double s or x form their plurals by adding es. We have to change this given word by adding es whenever we see the given last word is ch, sh, s, double s, x. So we have to change this given singular form into plural by adding es. For example, you can see here there is a word watch. So at the last of this word there is a ch. So we have to add here es in a plural form. Okay, we have to change this given singular into plural by adding es. So it will be watches. Watch become watches in plural form. Bus become bussage in plural form. Bench become benches. Brush become brushes. Okay, so like this we have to change this given singular form into plural. Now the next stage, there is a next information, there is many more examples, but how could we change this given singular noun into plural by adding es. So there is a next is bus, so it will be busage. Gas, it will be gasage. Glass, it will be glassage. Class, it will be classage. Box, boxage. Fox, foxage. Now the next one, there is a next one more information, that is singular nouns that end in o form their plural by adding es. Whenever we see the words end with the o, so we have to change this given word into plural form by adding es. Okay, so singular noun that end in o form their plurals by adding es at the end. However, not all such words follow these rules, and some form plurals by adding s. For example, as you can see, there is a volcano, so it will be volcanoes. Mango, it will be mangoes. Piano, it will be pianos. Student, here you can see there is only we have to use s. Okay, some words are not follow this rule. For example, there is a piano, so we have only add here s. Now the next hero, so it will be heroes. Zero, so it will be zeros. Photo, it will be photos. Okay. Now the next information, that is for some singular nouns that end in f or fe, the fe or fa is changed into v and es is added. However, there are some words that taken an s to form plurals. For example, there is a next information about whenever the words end with the f or fe, so the word end with the f, so f become v in a plural form and fe become es in a plural form. Okay, so we have to add in place of f v and fe es. Okay, so however there are some words that take an s to form plurals. For example, you can see here there is a leaf, so the last word you can see there is a last letter is f, so f will be ves, leaves. Leaf becomes leaves in a plural form. Half become halves. Roof become roofs. Chief become chiefs. Wife becomes wives. Knife becomes knives. Proof becomes proofs. Gloves become gloves. Okay, so like this we have to change this given singular noun into plural by adding v or es and also s. Okay, now the next information about that how could we change this given singular noun into plural. So what will we do? We have to, if a noun end in y, student, if a noun end in y and has a consonant before it, then the y change to ies in the plural form. Okay, if a noun end in a y and has a consonant before it, so then the y change to ies in the plural form. However, if the nouns end in y and has a vowel before it, then we add only s to inform its plural. For example, there is a word fly, so it will be flies. It will be flies. City, so it will be cities. Toy, it will be toys. Boy, it will be boys. Story, stories. Fairy, fairies. Ray, rays. Monkey, monkeys. Okay, students, so these are the very important things that you have to learn, that how could we change the singular word into plural form. Now the next is in some compound. Okay, in some compound words we make the first word a plural. For example, the word is in some compound words we make the first word a plural. For example, passerby, passers-by. Son-in-law, sons-in-law. Okay, some nouns do not follow any rules. Student, this is information for you, that is some nouns do not follow any rules. They have a completely different plural form. For example, man, men. Mouse, mice. Okay. Next word is goose, geese. Tooth, teeth. Child, children. Ox, oxen. Okay. So we can see that there are given words are not follow any rules. Okay, so after that there is a next information is some singular noun do not change their forms when they become plurals. For example, student, it is very important that some singular nouns do not change their forms when they become plurals. For example, there is the word deer, ship, fish, spacecraft, aircraft, furniture, etc. These are the example of the words that not change their forms when they become plurals. Okay students, so you must be learn these given words. So dear student, in this video we have learned that how could we change the given singular form into plural, and how could we change this singular form into plural we have to learn about in this chapter. Okay student, so help of this video you have become able to change the singular word into plural form. I hope is that clear to you that how could you change the given singular word into plural form. So student, let's do the exercise of this chapter according to the knowledge of singular and plural. How could we change? So first of all, there is an exercise that is fill in the blanks by choosing the correct form of nouns given in the brackets. Okay, we have to fill in the blanks by choosing the correct form of nouns. So in first there is a sentence, Mrs. Sen has 4 dash. There is a 2 options, child and children. So tell me which one is correct. So there is a given word is children is correct. So we have to choose the correct word and after that write down on the blanks. So that is children. Now the second is dash babies love playing with rattles. So here we have to write babies. Babies love playing with rattles. Third is I saw a mouse and mice running by. So I saw a mouse running by. Fourth, I love flying kite or kites. So I love flying kite. Okay, kites. Fifth is Avi gave watch or watches to his friend. So here we have to write watches. Okay. Now sixth is I kept some pencil or pencils in my pencil stand. So we have to write here pencil. Seventh is the girl gave a red flower or flowers to her teacher. So here we have to write flower. Okay. Now number 8, Himanshu drank 6 glass or glasses of water. So here we have to write the plural form that is glasses. Okay. Now number 9, I gave 2 mango or mangoes to the child to eat. So here we have to write mangoes. Okay. Now 10th is there are 5 man or men and 1 dash in team women or women. So student, in this first blank we have to write men and second blank we have to write women. Okay, so like this we have to complete this first exercise of this chapter. So that's it for today. I will explain the next remaining exercises in my next video. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy and keep watching my video. Thank you.